All right, good day everybody. So I'm hanging out down here at the shop trying to get my motorhome done. As you can see, I've got some pretty good company. About a 2004 Intrigue and then a 2006 Intrigue. That would have been the first year of that particular body design, and that would be about the last year of that particular body design. But let's go inside. As you can see, some people haven't watched some of the older videos, so I do have the newer style Bronco headlights. And then up on the top up there, I've done some different clearance lights, but we'll go over another video here really soon once we get the exterior remodel started on this thing of the exterior. But let's go inside, because that's what this video is about, is getting this interior done. So I've got the Corian pieces for the edges all cut. They just need to be epoxy installed. And then right here on this edge, I think I'm actually going to have a piece of stainless made, because I want to be able to keep this floor floating and not silicone seal it to there. We've got those pieces done today. And now the steering wheel is all wired. So the smart wheel that'll replace this R&D one should be here in a couple days, and we'll do a video going over the complete installation of the smart wheel. But we've got that mounted up on the dash. That'll be behind the gauges to get access to the brain for that. The floor is all done, as you can see. Got those cutouts there for the seats. Got that one there for that seat. We'll get the seats in right after I make the final decision on this side couch. But as you can see, I've got this new leather couch in here. So I've brought this in today. Now this was in a slide room, so I actually had to build a spacer to get it up off the floor so it was the right height. So I just made kind of a quick vinyl based spacer. And then the drawers are outside. I'll get those in here later in the week after I get this secured. I need to make sure that that's where I want it with the relation to the chair before I get it sucked against the wall. I wanted to go over a couple of my favorite products for cleaning. Got the Tough Stuff here for doing multi-purpose cleaning. And then this is my leather cleaner of choice. Been using that since I was an auto detailer back in the early 90s. So that's what I use to get this couch cleaned up. I still need to condition it. But that is my leather cleaner of choice, if ever anybody wondered. I know a lot of people like to ask me questions of what I'm using and what have you. So I've got the new dinette table in here. Previously it was just an oak piece of plywood, veneer oak covered with the trim around it and whatnot. I found that actually in the stock. So that used to be a dinette table and a coach. You can't really see, I don't think, with the natural lighting. You can kind of see some of that. We'll throw some more light on there. You might be able to see it's got like this gold copper inlay in it. Now you'll notice there's some scratches in there. We're going to actually sand that down with some 1500 grit sandpaper and then repolish it. This is the piece that I cut off of there. I'm going to save that. I may use it to do actually a cup holder in the corner right here next to my driver's seat. Or I might use it for a dinette piece, a little end table or something. I haven't kind of come up with that yet, but I thought I'd save that piece of material for that. So that covers the new table. Now that went on to the existing base that was already there. It was really quick, easy mod. Super happy with finding that piece of material laying around as scrap. And then this couch I think is going to work out really good too. I might be crowding the dinette area. As I said, it's not secured yet, and so depending on where the seat lands, but right now I'm thinking I'm right on the edge. I should be able to get that couch to fit in right there. Gonna do those ducts this week and get that plumbed up into the dash, so that way the furnace system will be able to come out of the defrost vents, and then I'll have a couple small valves to be able to turn those off of the defrost vents. So that way I don't lose any of that defrost air pressure when I'm going down the road. Think I'm going to do for right now, I'm going to try to save some money, and I'm not going to buy brand new MCD blinds for here. And I'm actually just going to go something similar to this all the way throughout, probably a gray color, and replace those. The vinyl came in, so these window boxes are going to come down and get sent out and rewrapped. Get that going. My hope is that in 5 days from now, this coach will be actually back together and roadworthy. I've got the bathroom cleaned up some. I've got that line cover in there. Need to pull the toilet out of there and install it back in there. And then I've got this one piece of trim under the dinette in so far. I've been re-lacquering all that stuff as I bring it in. Luckily nobody's put any honey wax oil or anything like that on there. So what I do is I'll actually scuff that up with a red Scotch-Brite, and then I use this Def semi-gloss to rattle can all those pieces and make it all look good. So that's kind of my choice there that I like to use for touching up the cabinets. Of course, you'll want to make sure that you haven't oiled them down or anything previously, because then it's going to fisheye on you. But if you get any dry spots, it's always a good option to give a try. So, as I said, happy with the way this is coming out. I need to put a small piece of this floating floor in there just to kill that void. And I'm going to have a small light under this edge. I need to get that wired into these side lights. Now, these side lights are innovative lighting. If you're interested in those for the LED lights that we're using at the stepwell, Country Coach would use those in 2005 and newer products at the factory. So, all right, everyone. I know you kind of wanted an update and keep seeing the stages in here, so we're just going to get you another one here. I hope everybody's having a great day. Reach out to me if you're interested in anything through my email, brianmoto773@gmail.com. We'll get you helped out. Otherwise, I hope you're all having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. We're almost at 5,000, so please hit that subscribe and like and comment. But thanks again, everyone. Till next time. Bye-bye.